Gifting watches is one of the best things you can do in this world. Has it ever happened to you that someone's birthday or a special celebration comes up and you don't know what to gift them? You go to a store and see clothes like a shirt, but you don't really know their size or the exact colors they wear. Or you head to the fragrance department, but it's a world of options and you're not sure if they prefer fresh or sweet scents. And giving a fragrance feels too personal, and there's a high chance things won't turn out perfectly. Obviously, this is my comfort zone and my area of expertise. The advantage is that you can find watches at literally any price range, from watches costing $20 to those that cost a fortune. They come in different materials and colors, suitable for various occasions: formal watches, sports watches, action watches. And I think it's hard to go wrong with a gift like that. Now let me give you an example of a watch that's always a good option to gift: a G-Shock. They are quite affordable and you can find these watches at almost any price. They come in various colors, but if you're unsure, go black or another neutral color. They are durable, suitable for camping, exercising, or simply for everyday wear. If you know the person better, you can choose something more specific based on whether they like dress watches or sports watches, but that's more a matter of personal taste. The biggest reason I like gifting watches is a different one though, and I would dare to say is much more important, at least from my perspective. Throughout the years I've been buying and collecting watches, I've realized that they serve as much more than just telling time. They add the finishing touch to your outfit and act as a statement of your style, achievement, or success. But most importantly, and I've always said this, they serve as carriers of memories. What's incredible about watches is that if you take care of them, they can last many lifetimes. We've seen watches in this channel that were made in 1910, 1920, and they still work just like the day they left the factory. Plus, they don't really have to be expensive to hold those special moments. When you gift a watch, you're not just giving a mechanism that tells time. You're giving the opportunity to hold memories in a piece that they can wear, and more importantly, when the time comes, pass it down to loved ones so that they can remember you and can create new memories with that same piece. I've said many times that the watches in my collection are meant for my son to enjoy when I'm no longer here. And it's something he will probably share with his wife and children. I think it's better for your son to enjoy the watches his dad wore, the ones that hold so many memories of him using them and taking them to the watchmaker for repairs and seeing how his dad took care of them, wind them, set the time, and continue this passing down from generation to generation, where my son gives it to his son and my grandson to his children. That is what you're giving when you gift a watch. If you gift it to a man, it's great because a watch is one of the few accessories we can wear without looking out of place. In the case of women, we often think about fragrances, jewelry, and clothing, and it's rare for someone to gift a watch. But it gives you the chance not only to give a great gift, but to offer the opportunity to generate emotions and memories, which I think is the most important part. But what do you think?